Finding the balance between comfort and cuteness in the relationships. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to discuss a topic that resonates with many of us: the balance between feeling comfortable and looking cute, especially in marriage and long-term relationships. Let's face it, when we first fall in love, there is a spark that often begins with attraction, and while comfort in a relationship is essential, it shouldn't come at the expense of taking care of ourselves. The shift after marriage. Many of us will agree that once we marry, life often shifts into high gear. We focus on household chores, work obligations, and family commitments. Somewhere along the way, we may neglect our appearance if we are not careful. But let's remind ourselves, attraction matters. Remember the excitement of those early days, when we put effort into how we looked, dressed well, and took time for ourselves. Think about those early dates when you'd spend hours selecting the perfect outfit, doing your hair, and even practicing your best smiles in the mirror. Do you recall the thrill of dressing up, knowing that your partner was just as eager to impress you? Here is the Bible's perspective on beauty. We often forget that caring for ourselves is not a trivial pursuit. It's deeply rooted in our identity as God-created beings. 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 3 up to 4 in New International Version says, "Your beauty should not come from outward adornments, such as elaborate hairstyles and wearing gold jewelry or fine clothes. Rather, it should be that of your inner self, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight." This verse doesn't dismiss physical appearance. Instead, it bolsters the notion that while our inner beauty is crucial, taking care of our outward appearance reflects our love for God and respect for ourselves. Cultivating attraction. So, how can we cultivate both comfort and cuteness in our relationships? Here are a few practical tips. Tip number 1, create us time. Schedule regular date nights where you dress up and go out. This doesn't always mean fancy dinners. Sometimes it can be as simple as cooking together while you both look lovely and cute. Tip number 2, self-care rituals. Establish self-care routines that emphasize beauty, whether it's skincare, hair care, or fitness. Taking time for ourselves is an act of self-love and a way to honor the partnership. Tip number 3, affirmations. Compliment each other. A few well-placed affirmations about your partner's appearance can reignite that spark. Something like, "You look stunning today," can go a long way. Find the best way to appreciate each other. The virtue of beauty. Proverbs 31, verse 30, New International Version. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. This highlights that while physical appearance is valuable, our relationship with God and moral character should take precedence. Yet, beauty in all its forms, inside and out, should not be neglected. In summary, it is possible to be both comfortable and cute. The journey of love should include cherishing ourselves and our appearance as reflections of our love for God and each other. Let's not lose sight of the beauty initially drawn us to our partners. Let's keep the flame alive by nurturing our inner and outer selves, finding that perfect balance, and embracing the beauty God intended for us. Thank you. Thank you to all. Now, let's go out there and feel as good as we look. It was my pleasure to share this presentation with you. You are with Victor Khaula. Until next time, bye.